So good evening, sir.
Good evening, madam.
Sir.
Yes, madam.
Uh,
Good evening.
Happy to have you
Yeah, thank you, madam.
for this valuable.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Yeah,
for joining with us, sir. Thank you.
thank you, madam.
Hey, HOD, sir.
Start பண்ணுங்க.
We will start. Okay. Sir.
Yeah.
A pleasant good evening to one and all present here. Our dear participants, our dear faculty members, our respected HOD, and to our distinct chief guest, Dr. R. Jnanadas, Professor, EEE Department, Pondicherry Engineering College, who accepted our invitation, came here to preside over this validatory function. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Welcome. So 5 days pleasant travel in online with the participants all over the country is really a good experience to us. This travel is so pleasant because of the good cooperation rendered by you, that is our beloved participants, in an aspect of building a healthier environment to save the society by saving the earth. We came across this topic related to our field power electronics. Further, we, the engineers, the faculties, have a great responsibility in building a healthy and clean environment. We are producing so many engineers every year, and one and only we have a thorough knowledge and awareness. We can impart this healthy one to our students and get rid of this serious issue, that is the global warming. Of course, the ultimate aim of any implementation or any innovation should be a cost effective as well as a performance effective. In this perception, I hope that we had a very good discussion in this AECT sponsored Atal Faculty Development Program on global warming and impacts of power electronics towards green technology. Various academicians and industrial persons came over here and delivered a very good lecture in different right topics with various disciplines under global warming and impacts of power electronics towards green technology. So this paves the way for green energy and eco energy. Thereby, we can able to have build up a healthier environment. So to establish all these things, we need a good stamina with a good health. Unfortunately, we have a great war nowadays now against COVID. So and an awareness also made in this faculty development program. That is a session. So in this nice moment, I would like to express or extend my sincere thanks to our management, our vice principal, our HOD, and for motivating us to conduct this Atal online faculty development program. And also, I want to extend my sincere thanks to our beloved faculty members who are very much supported to us in conducting this program. Besides, the non-teaching faculty members of our department who supported us a lot in conducting this program during this pandemic period. Thank you all. And once again, I welcome our chief guest for this validatory function, Dr. Nyondagas, to preside over this function. Now, I will call our co-coordinator, one of our co-coordinator, Mr. S. Balaji, to introduce our chief guest.
Thank you, ma'am. Today's validation function chief guest, Dr. Nanadas Ramachandran. He has received an undergraduate degree in electrical engineering and the master degree in power system engineering with distinction in 1991 and 1993 respectively. He has obtained the PhD degree in Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Pondicherry Engineering College, Pondicherry, 2005. He is working as a teaching faculty in Pondicherry Engineering College since 1996 and currently he is a professor of Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department. He was with the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering, Iowa State University, Ames, USA, from 2007 to 2008. Carry out his postgraduate studies under BICAST fellowship sponsored by Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. He is a recipient of postdoctorate research award by UGC India to carry out the research in the restructured power market for 2 years with funding of 30 lakhs. He published 63 research articles in the journals. He was awarded with gold medal by Institute of Engineers for the best published paper in the power system area. Two of his other papers received the merit certificate by Institute of Engineers. He has guided 7 PhDs and currently guiding 3 research scholars in the power system restructuring and smart grid area. He has organized 2 AICT sponsor FTP and 1 TEQIP sponsor FDP in Pondicherry Engineering College. He also organized an international conference on energy engineering and national conference on electrical machines and power system. He has completed 2 AICT sponsor research program for promotion schemes projects in the power system restructuring area, value of 16 lakhs. He is the department member of executing the DST sponsored FIST project for the college value of 100 lakhs. He is the committee member in the procurement of smart meter and implementation of smart grid at Pondicherry City in collaboration with Pondicherry Electricity Board and Power Grid Corporation of India. He is the member of IEEE Madras section, fellow member of Institute of Engineers, and life member of ISTE. His field of interest is power system provisions, reactive power pricing and management, voltage stability, concept of power system restructuring, facts, smart grid, and distribution pricing methodologies. I welcome you, sir, for this validatory function.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
We can.
Shall I give validatory access right now?
Yes, sir. You
Yes.
can give your valid data.
Okay, I thank the management of SRM Maliam Engineering College, AICTE, 3 coordinators to participate in this validatory function of the ATAL program on green technology, power electronics and green technologies. My dear participants, I hope it is more than 100 people are there. It is my pleasure to be there with you. I hope in this 1 week program, many experts discuss about a lot of technologies, especially new technologies,
Audio.
applications of power electronics. One suggestion for power electronics engineers is, it is, even though it is a smaller thing, it should not be kept within the laboratory. It should be extended to the society applications, right? Whatever we designed in the power electronics, nowadays green technology is the boom for India. We have to use a lot of non-conventional energy sources, and we have to utilize the natural resources. That is the objective of all the governments across the globe, right? I hope this program has enlightened the recent or latest technologies in the power electronics applications to the green technologies like this. Of course, even though there are many participants are there, we have a new experience to attend it in the online. Only the thing is, we did not know. As an expert, I can say that we are not able to visualize the participant in person. But of course, this is sitting in a room or sitting in our own place. It is our immense pleasure to know the new technologies like that. Okay, it has both the online courses has both merits and limitations. Anyhow, it will be extended to all the participants to use this technology for the upcoming applications and the applications for our Indian smart cities like that. Thank you very much. And congratulate for the coordinators as well as the participants to participate in this value. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Now the session is open to the participants. The participants, you can register your feedbacks here.
There is a link is given in the chat box. You can register your feedbacks.
Participant, please turn on your video and unmute yourself. Please give your feedback about this 5 days online FTP program.
Very good evening. This is Dr. A.V. Pawan Kumar. I am Associate Professor, Madanapalli Institute of Technology and Science, Department of EEE. So I am this workshop, this FDB program was organized very nicely. So I would like to congratulate the college management as well as the organizers. So those who have conducted this 5 days, the 2-3 sessions per day, very actively, and made the participants like us to be active in the sessions. And I just wanted to give the like what made me interested to attend is one is the EV technologies. So giving the real time, what we say, the hardware approach, that means industry knowledge. So where an academia can help to the industry, that was the key point, or that's what is takeaway from the FDP. What I would be thinking. So I would like to thank you the organizers for giving me this opportunity to speak. Thank you, Anshul.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, thank you so
Thank you,
much,
sir.
sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your feedback, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
The other participants also are ready. Please
Next
turn on
parti-
your video,
Yeah.
unmute yourself, and give your feedback. Thank you.
Hello.
Yes, we are
Yes,
hearing.
sir. You can.
Yes.
Very-
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Yeah. I cannot switch on my video because I am calling from Kolkata, West Bengal. Due to super cyclone, the net is very slow.
Okay, sir. No
So
problem. You
I
can
cannot
share your
Net-
share
no
your
issue.
thoughts.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir. You
Share
are
your
audible.
opinion, sir.
Please
You are
proceed.
audible.
Yeah. What I am saying that I cannot switch on the video because net is very slow here in
Okay.
Kolkata, West Bengal.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you share your
So
video.
I just want to thank that this 5-day FDP on global warming is a very fantastic and very informative session, and I hope every one of us have enjoyed it a lot. Thank you very much for organizing such a nice FDP. One more request, sir. You have already shared all the PPTs, I think, in our email ID. But if you kindly share the recording of the video sessions, it is really remain as an asset to us because this FDP is such a fantastic one. Thank you very much. Thank you very much to the organizer for organizing such a nice FDP. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much for your valuable suggestions, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Any other participant?
Thank you so
can
much,
share
sir.
your-
We will consider and we will give you the remaining PPTs by today, sir, through your mail, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining with us.
Madam, kindly share the recording because this FDP is very nice one. Please, I have requested
sure,
from the very
sir.
Sure,
beginnings,
sir. We will
madam.
share, sir.
Please.
We will share the
Sure,
link,
sir.
sir. You will.
Hello.
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 Good afternoon.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Please.
Sir,
Hello.
you can. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
same problem even I am facing. I can't turn on my video because I am from Northeast India. I'm from Tripura.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So there is some network issues. So I'm sorry, I couldn't be, on the video call. So I hope my voice will, compensate for that. So, hi, this is Assistant Professor Siddharth Shankar Dev. I am working in Techno College of Engineering, Agartala, and I am from Electrical Engineering Department. This 5 days FDP was a great experience for me. Previously, also I have attended FDP, but this time each session was for 2 hours, and in a day we were attending back to back 3 sessions. I want to really congratulate the organizing team for not losing hope on us and actually making each and every session so much interactive. And even the coordinators, we really want to thank you all for your patience, for bearing with us and answering all our queries. And this particular topic is need of the hour, where there is a paradigm shift in the energy utilization in the country, where we need to shift from the red to the green economy mostly. And definitely lot of research objectives which are required for academicians like us to focus on. and to motivate our students, that is the future generation, to implement new ideas. So this total curriculum was really helpful in that, and definitely it was an eye opener, and this has also given us a lot of new ideas. And specifically, as I'm from Northeast, there are a lot of scope in the energy sector as well. So definitely, I'm going to take up something from these ideas, and I'll try my level best, and hope I can contact the coordinators also and get some support from their end. Once again, thank you all, and thank you. Special thanks to the organizers. It was really a very helpful FDP. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Good evening.
Thank you, sir.
Can I? Good evening. Actually, I am discussing from Pune.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please proceed.
IIT Engineering College, Pune.
Okay.
So what I feel that it was a very nice and informative workshop. Sorry, FDP. And my actually area is in power electronics only. That was same course, power electronics. Very much interesting in this course. And whatever contents it was delivered by the speakers, it was 100% very much informative for us. And one more request I want to tell you that if in future, if you can suggest the postdoc or we will be most it will be more for the same for postdoctoral and very much thankful to all the organizers.
Hello.
Hello,
Yes,
thank
sir.
you, sir.
There is
Thank
some
you.
network
Is it
issue,
over?
sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Sir.
May I speak, ma'am? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
You can
Yeah,
proceed.
Yes, sir.
Good evening. Good evening to
Good
all
evening.
of you. I'm Dr. Om Prakash Sanguli, speaking from Sangli, Maharashtra. Of course,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
one of the different teachers from you, because I'm teaching the chemistry for the senior college. And then I read the title of global warming. Keeping the interest of the chemistry, I participated. Of course, I learned the various things differently in this 5-day FDP, because even I earlier attended some HRDC FDP and the Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya FDP. So, but this felt to be different, because there were the 3 sessions every day, and each sessions of the 2 hours. Initially, I felt that whether I can take enthusiastically participate in it or not. But as I took the interest and I felt interesting, I continuously, up to this moment, I enthusiastically participated in it, and even I learned a lot of engineering things, like the renewable energy for solar energy, then battery electric cars and so forth. So what silent features I felt from this FDP is that it was sincerely organized by the convener as well as organizing teams, and as and when there were the technical problems, they sincerely tried to nullify that one. So of course, I was quite impressed, and I felt quite nice. Or I felt it was a distinguished one, and I do hope that you will arrange such programs time and again. Thanks once again to all the teams, and all the best to all the teachers. Over your study.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
We accept
Okay.
your suggestion, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Ilango, sir. Sir, Ilango, sir, you're not audible. Ilango, sir, not audible, sir.
You please unmute the mic.
Ilango, sir, you are unmute.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. I'm J. Sevagun Rajesh from Amartya College of Engineering and Technology from Nagarcoil. Okay. It's a great session, sir. Very great session, sir, and would be very helpful for all researchers and trainers. I feel more confident to starting to write my next manuscripts, and really helpful. A lot of energy and lot of enthusiasm. Awesome. I'm going to improve my ideas in my ongoing manuscripts. Great program, really well organized. Plenty of details in each section. Definitely recommend. Yes, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable suggestions.
Yes, sir. Ilongo sir, you are audible.
Thank you.
You can say your
Good
view.
evening, one and all. Just want to thank the organizing team of SRM Vallabha Engineering College for organizing such a wonderful FDP for the last 5 days. Really, it is really difficult to conduct back-to-back sessions every day. That is 3 sessions, and each and every session outstanding resources identified, and you are thanking one and all, sir. Thank you very much for the organizing team, especially. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your feedback, sir. Thank you so much.
Anuga Murugan, sir.
Ma'am, this is Ratnapriya.
Anuga Murugan, sir, you are not audible, sir. You are muted, sir. Anuga Murugan, sir. Ratnapriya, ma'am. You are muted.
Yes,
You are
sir.
unmuted. Now it is
Yes,
audible.
sir.
Now it is audible, ma'am.
Okay, this is Ratnapriya. I am assistant. Sir, am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. You are audible, ma'am. You are audible.
Yes, sir. Okay, thank you, ma'am. So this is Ratnapriya. I am assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, SRM Vallabha Engineering College. So first, I was very impressed with the title Global Warming and Impacts of Power Electronics Towards Green Technology. So as an environmentalist, the title influenced me to attend this program. Then I was very much attracted with the speakers who were delivering the sessions. So the years of experience, the depth of understanding, and the ability to present the topics in such an interesting way produced one of the most memorable lectures in this session. And then the resource person introduced us, and we plan to learn more with the session. And the PPTs gave us a close look at the title, which couldn't have been gained in any other way. And I would like to thank the speakers for the prompt response to the questions that is raised in the FDP. And then I would also like to appreciate the coordinators, Dr. Malati ma'am, Ms. Vanila madam, and Mr. Balaji sir for beautifully executing this FDP and to bring together the awareness about global warming and also the recent pandemic issue, that is COVID-19, the last session, which is very much interesting. So I am looking forward for much more events in future also. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you for your valuable suggestions, ma'am. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, madams. Am I audible?
Yes, Vijayalakshmi, madam. Yes, madam. We can able to hear you, ma'am.
Okay. From 6 to 5 days, we had a very good FDP program. In that, 11 members are of doctorate holders, and 2 are from industrialist, and 1 is from medical. We all had a very good session about technical aspects as well as medical aspects as well as industrial. I hope in next further coming FTPs, I would like to interact with more industrialist people so that we can convey their thoughts to us, so we can come up with new things. So this is my feedback from my side. Rest from all that part is very good session, madam. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
We accepted your suggestions, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, and we will do it in future, ma'am.
Yeah. Madam, there is a question I want to answer for this. Some Mr. Sanjay from Pune, he wants some information about the postdoctoral program in power electronics, right?
Sure, sir.
Yeah, I want to share some of my
Yes,
experience.
yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Department of Science and Technology Every year here they are calling for postdoctoral program. BSc sponsored. Every year they will call for that. Scholarship is called as better management for outstanding engineers. It's a short form as the Boy Scout. Every year you can do your research not only in India, you can go to abroad also. They will give $3,000 per month for 1 year program. You can go abroad and you can do the research and come back. Recently, one of our researchers went to Northeastern University, US. Somebody went to Europe also here. Every year, 74 scholarships are given by Department of Science and Technology to carry out the postdoctoral research here. Then secondly, UGC of our India is also calling for postdoctoral program. They are giving 100 male students, as well as 100 exclusively for female doctorates to do the postdoctoral research in India itself. They will give 2 years of salary to us for them. So the colleges sponsored by UGC are recognized by UGC to be are eligible to apply. Every year 200 scholarships are given. Your scholarship, in addition with that, 3 lakhs will be given for to procurement of equipments or contingencies like that. So these are the 2 main criteria are there to carry out our postdoctoral research in abroad as well as in India here, as per my knowledge. Some of our IITs also consistently calling for postdoctoral research awards every year. They are giving around 75,000 per month. You can also go to IITs. All the IITs are calling for the postdoctoral research experience here. So after the doctoral program, if the candidates are interested to do postdoctoral research also, you can carry it out here. Okay.
Sure, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your valuable ideas regarding the questions asked, sir. Kimberly Jamina Murai, sir. Sir, you have raised your hands to say. Yeah, we can able to see, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Good evening to everyone present here. First of all, I would like to thank the Government of India for coming up with this Atal scheme. Secondly, for the organizers for taking into consideration and thinking about this area, which is quite a bit of different area, which is not very common. That was a nice thought that you'll put into it and started deciding upon it. Then one of the important thing that I enjoyed was the selection of speakers. The content that they would have was a very nice, which I would not get. Actually, I'm currently working as an assistant professor in Don Bosco College of Engineering, Goa. So we would not get access to such kind of speakers. So giving a thought to keep the speakers in line with the topic of the workshop, that was very, very good. Also, I would like to thank the organizers for taking, efforts in coordinating this workshop in such a situation so that people from all over India can attend, gain some knowledge and get exposure to different areas. And lastly, for introducing that topic of the pandemic, that was a very good idea, whoever came up with. So it helped in the current situation along with all of us for gaining knowledge. Thank you and all the best for future.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for joining with us, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Any participants want to share your opinion about the FTP?
Participants, now the session is open to you. If you are interested to say the feedback, please proceed.
Okay, madam, we will close it. Yeah.
Sir, please, sir. I'll say thank you message, sir.
Yeah.
Please. Alagu Murugan, sir.
You are not audible, sir.
Sir, unmute the mic, sir.
Your device, computer audio device is not connected, sir. When you joining the MS team, it will ask you to join through the MS team computer audio, sir.
He has to tune on it.
Yes, I think you will join back.
Okay, madam. Okay, madam.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Myself, Sri Shailaram from Karnataka. I'm lecturer in ANC department, government politics. This FDP was very nice, and I heartily thankful to all the organizers and college principal and HODs. They have organized it very well, and even all the teaching faculty for this FDP were very nice, and they have taken a session very nicely and cleared all the doubts. Thank you, and also.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your suggestions, sir. Thank you so much. Dear participants, if you have any feedbacks, please proceed with that. Thank you all. Thank you. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. I am immensely happy to propose the vote of thanks for AICTE-sponsored online Atal FTP program titled Global Warming and Impacts of Power Electronics Towards Green Technology. On behalf of Department and Organizing Committee, I would like to thank our SRM Valliyamma Engineering College Management and AICTE for accepting our proposal and permitting us with this opportunity to conduct this 5 days online FTP. I would like to thank our respected principal, Dr. P. Chidambara Rajan, and respected vice principal, Dr. M. Murugan, for giving us this permission to organizing this AICTE sponsored FTP and supporting us with these facilities and all helps in organizing this FTP smoothly. I thank our respected HOD EEE, Dr. K. Ilango, for entrusting us with the important task of organizing this reputed AICTE sponsored online FTP. His continuous guidance, advices, and support always have made our department to achieve more and improve further. I'd like to thank our eminent inaugural chief guest, Dr. N. Kumarappan, Chairman, IEEE Madras Section, Professor, Annamalai University. And I'd like to thank our eminent valedictory chief guest, Dr. Jnanadas Ramachandran, Professor EEE, Pondicherry Engineering College, and session speakers, Dr. C. Sharmila, Associate Professor, EEE, College of Engineering, Gindi, Anna University, Dr. S. Lenin Prakash, Independent R&D Consultant, Electric Vehicles and Renewable Energy Domain, Tiruchi, Dr. Vijay Kumar Krishnasamy, Assistant Professor, EEE, IIT DM, Kanchipuram, Dr. MP Selvan, Associate Professor, EEE, NIT Tiruchi, Dr. G. Nagarajan, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering and Director, Center for International Relations, Anna University, Dr. G. Uma, Professor, EEE, College of Engineering, Hindi, Anna University, Chennai, Professor Parimal Acharji, NIT Durgapur, Mr. Karthikeyan, Co-founder and CTO, R&D and NPO in Electric Vehicles, Green Sign Technologies Private Limited, Bangalore, Mr. K. Pupati, Director and Division Head, R&D, National Institute of Energy, Dr. S. Jeevanandan, Professor, EEE, Pondicherry Engineering College, Dr. A. Rathinam, Professor, EEE, SRM IST Kattankulathur, Dr. A.R. Kadiravan, MBBS, MD, Assistant Professor, Stanley Medical College, for having accepted our invitations and enlightening us with their knowledge. This 5 days online faculty development program was with full of knowledge sharing and insightful topics deliberated about the recent trends and upcoming scenarios, including the health-related topics. The speakers shared many informative sessions on the importance of power electronics towards green technology, electrical vehicles, and smart grid. I'm much confident and sure that the precious knowledge that speaker gave us will definitely help us in our future research works and academic career. Once again, I would like to thank speakers for taking out time from their busy schedule and enlightening us with the knowledge. Thank you so much to all the speakers. I thank Mr. Padmanabha Ayyappan, Assistant Professor, Senior Grade, EEE, SRM Valliyamma Engineering College, who supported us to conduct this online program through MS Teams successfully. Thank you, sir. I wish to thank earnestly our coordinator of the program, Dr. S. Malati, Assistant Professor, Selection Grade, EEE, SRM Valiamma Engineering College, for shaping this FTP to this in many
Ma'am, you are muted. Ma'am, you are muted.
No, some network issues. Yeah. Audio issues.
I wish to thank earnestly our coordinator of the program, Dr. S. Malati, Assistant Professor, Selection Grade, EEE, SRM Valiamma Engineering College, for shaping this FTP to this in many ways and made this event a grand successful one. Thank you, ma'am. Also, I thank Mr. S. Balaji, Assistant Professor, EEE, SRM Valiamma Engineering College, who gave his fullest support to conduct this program. Thank you, sir. I'd like to thank our department faculty members, staff members, and all the others who have contributed to this FTP. Last but definitely not the least, I thank all our learned participants and professors without whom it would not have been possible to conduct such online FTP even during this time. Also, I request them to enroll in all SRM Valiamma Engineering College FTPs and conferences. Once again, I wholeheartedly thank each and everyone for having helped us in all possible ways to make this FTP a reality. Thank you all. பசுமையை போற்றுவோம், பசுமையை உருவாக்குவோம், அனைவரும் கரம் தொடுப்போம். Thank you all. நன்றி.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, madam. Shall we close it?
Sir, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So
Madam,
much.
what about examination, madam? When you will take the examination?
sir.
Hello.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Hello.
yes, sir. After
wait,
the
sir.
validity function.
When you will take the examination, where?
Sir,
Hello.
validation
Sir,
function, we post the link,
We
sir.
will send you the feedback link and the test link to your mail ID, sir.
Okay, okay. And the time
your
to
registered
submit
mail
the
ID, sir.
examination? Is there any time to submit the examination today only, or it's flexible till tomorrow?
You have enough time to submit your test results, sir. All the timing
okay.
details will be mentioned in the mail, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you, madam. Thank you very much.
We will send you the feedback link, test link after the validity function to your registered mail ID, sir.
Thank you very much, madam. Okay, okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining with
Thank you
us.
so much.
Thank you so much,
Thank
ma'am.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.